In this video tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to use the handheld microphone. Okay, so let me just go straight away and unzip the bag. And this is our microphone. Okay, there are two colors. One is black, one is champagne gold. Okay, this is an omnidirectional microphone. Okay, that means you'll pick up sound from all directions. Okay, also there's this pop-in filter. The pop-in filter, built-in pop-in filter suppresses breath and wind noise. Okay, and also the special thing about interview microphone is that it doesn't really pick up any handling noise. Okay, and it looks good on television. Okay, so now I'm going to connect this to the XLR cable. This is the XLR cable. It's an audio cable widely used in the video and audio industry. Okay, so our microphone has a male input. Okay, so we're going to use the female connector. Okay, this is a female connector, male. Okay, so make sure it connects fully. Make sure you hear the click sound. Okay, so then the other end will go to, if you're using the Zoom H5 or portable audio recorder, then connect the male connector to either input 1 or input 2. Okay, that's 2. Okay, usually we use input 1. And make sure it inserts fully. Or if you are using a video camera like our Panasonic AC90, then make sure you connect to input 2. Okay, the reason we want to connect to input 2 is because in this camera, when you record the sound to input 2, it can be duplicated into input 1 as well. So you can the sound actually will be recorded in both channels. All right, so another method to connect the microphone is to use a wireless transmitter. We don't have it, but basically the wireless transmitter sits here. Okay, then you can use this wirelessly. Okay, so this is, the interview mic is usually used by television hosts. Okay, so they'll hold it like this and talk. Or it's also widely used by reporters to do quick interviews, okay, like Vox Pops. Okay, it has a very short pickup range. That means the microphone must be close, okay, but you don't want it to cover the face. And due to the short pickup range, it actually has very good background noise rejection. Okay, so it actually works well for very noisy environment, like in the market, out in the street and so on, because it has a very short pickup range and all the background noise are mostly rejected. Okay, the way to hold the microphone is to hold the bottom of the microphone. Okay, so it looks nicer this way. Okay, a few inches away from the mouth, and do not block the face. Okay, so a television host will talk like this. Okay, and then you're interviewing people. Then imagine if this iMac here, this is the face, so a few inches away from the face, and do not block their face. Okay. One more thing is, if the interviewee is sitting right, the reporter or the interviewer should always also sit down so that they are holding it in the same level. If not, it will not look very nice. Imagine, okay, let's say this is my interviewee, he's sitting now. Okay, so if I interview him, then you wouldn't see most of my arm and the cable. Okay, but if I'm standing up, I'm interviewing him like this, then you actually see my arm and also the cable. All right.